Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive for Smartkarma Plus subscribers. We discuss the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. Every week, we try and look across Smartkarma for the highest conviction, small and mid-cap, large cap, and core thematic ideas. At the end of the week, we take video recordings of these and collapse them into a nice little video that is hosted on our YouTube channel. You can view this video at your own time and pace and can even share it with friends. In today's forum, we will look at Dongfang Electric, which seems to be going at full throttle. We will then move on to examine Tencent and revisit our long-standing bear case. And finally, we will look at Jubilant Foodworks as the discount begins to look attractive again. Dongfang Electric, the ticker is 1072 Hong Kong. The market cap is $4.6 billion. And this is covered by Oscar Tang on Smartkarma. Dongfang Electric manufactures and sells hydro and steam power generators and electric motors. It has also developed new business segments that are plugged into the fast-evolving hydrogen market in China, as well as renewable energy segment through its pool power storage systems. In the first half results, Dongfang Electric posted a 31.6% earnings growth and new orders of 36.7 billion RMB. You can see that clearly by the inflection in the chart on the right-hand side. We continue to see encouraging demand for its major products, including coal-fired, gas turbines, renewables, and more. Order backlog is equivalent to 1.6 times full year 2022 forecast revenue, and we think that gives a lot of visibility into future growth. Despite its outperformance, it is still trading extremely cheap at 12.6 times PE for this year and 9.8 times for next. Tencent. This particular insight is presented by Shifara Samsudin on the platform. Tencent probably doesn't deserve an introduction. It is a large cap. Market cap is north of 300 billion. We all know what Tencent does. However, what's worth noting is that Tencent continues to be sidelined by the Chinese regulators. Even in its latest announcements, the China's gaming regulator granted publishing licenses to 73 online games, but Tencent was excluded for the 5th time running. It has now been more than a year since Tencent received an approval for a new gaming title. Its online gaming revenue dropped year on year for 2 consecutive quarters, and we expect it to further decline in the 3rd. Continue to remain cautious on the name. Moving on to Jubilant Foodworks. This is a $5 billion market cap company that is listed in India. And the analyst covering this space is Pranav Bhavsar. Few things first, Jubilant is India's largest food service company with a master franchise rights from Domino's Pizza. The CEO's exit in March of this year under a high inflationary environment was largely noise. Ordering frequency in India continues to remain at less than 1 order a month, providing ample runway for future growth. Jubilant has renewed focus on growth by adding additional brands and also bringing on a new CEO. While a 68.5 times next 12-month PE might look very, very expensive, Pranav points out that that is a 22% discount to its 3-year mean. For all this and more, continue the conversation on Smartkarma. We hope to see you again next week. Bye-bye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching and see you next week.